Learn how to use generative AIs like ChatGPT to plan, organize, and run effective meetings. My name is Thor Peterson. My courses here on Udemy have more than 700,000 students and are both best-selling and highest rated in their categories. Together with my co-instructor, Chris Rose, we'll show you how to use Gen AI to plan effective meetings, create clear agendas, and run productive discussions the right way in under an hour. We'll show you the techniques that actually work and why they work, so you can adapt them to your meeting requirements. Every example is a real meeting task, so you can see exactly how to use Gen AI for your needs. You'll get 3 downloadable PDFs. They are study guides, prompt templates, and summaries for every video, showing you how to write better prompts, what to do, what to avoid, and what to watch out for. It doesn't matter if you're new to Gen AI or already using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. This course will help you move from experimenting to actually improving how you work. And you get all that for probably less than you spent on lunch. If you're still in doubt, all our courses come with a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So if you're ready to actually use Gen AI instead of wondering, am I doing this right? This course will get you there.